Hello, this is cjhoyle. As you can see, I'm riding my bike right now. And in this video, I'm going to play a game called What City is cjhoyle currently in? And I'll give you a hint. I'm not currently in my home city of Toronto. And I want you, my viewers, to guess below in the comments what city you think this is that I'm currently in. As you can see, I'm riding in a bi-directional bike lane, and I'm about to ride over a river here. And you can see some tall buildings up ahead. And if you didn't guess, I tried to pick a section of roadway that didn't have too many really obvious clues in it. And the reason I'm here is because I'm currently on vacation, and I've spent the last 2 days riding my bike all around this place. And I made a series of videos which I'll be releasing, sharing some of my experiences exploring this city that I'm visiting. Even if you have no idea what city this might be, I'd still love to read your guess in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.